Hello, boys and girls. This week we are reading some fun Thanksgiving stories and turkey stories and just doing some kind of review and extra practice work since we have a short week this week. Today we're going to read There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Turkey. I want you to think about what we're reading. Is this story, is it realism? Is it something that could really happen? Or do you think it's a fantasy story? Do you think it's made up silly stuff that could not happen in real life? There was an old lady who swallowed a turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed a ball. She stood very tall as she swallowed that ball. She swallowed the ball to throw with the turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed a hat. Imagine that! She swallowed a hat. She swallowed the hat to cover the ball. She swallowed the ball to throw with the turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed a balloon. She felt as big as the moon when she swallowed the balloon. She swallowed the balloon to bump the hat. She swallowed the hat to cover the ball. She swallowed the ball to throw with the turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed a boat. It slid down her throat when she swallowed that boat. She swallowed the boat to anchor the balloon. She swallowed the balloon to bump the hat. She swallowed the hat to cover the ball. She swallowed the ball to throw with the turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed some wheels. She kicked up her heels when she swallowed those wheels. She swallowed the wheels to drive the boat. She swallowed the boat to anchor the balloon. She swallowed the balloon to bump the hat. She swallowed the hat to cover the ball. She swallowed the ball to throw with the turkey. I don't know why she swallowed the turkey, but she's always been quirky. There was an old lady who swallowed a horn of plenty. She could have swallowed 20 horns of plenty. Just then the old lady heard a band, so she marched her way onto the grandstand. As the parade got underway, she wished everyone a happy Thanksgiving Day. All right, what do you think? Was that story realism? Could that old lady really swallow all those things? No, she could not. It was a fantasy story. All right, we're going to do some practice with our color words. We've got a turkey here like the turkey that old lady swallowed. I want you to get this out and put your name on the top. I'm going to go over the directions, so we're going to do some of this together, and then you're going to work on some of it on your own, okay? Okay, the first thing it says to do is color. Now, some of the turkey feathers in the turkey's body, they don't have anything written on it, but some of his feathers have our color words. So you're going to need to read the color words on the turkey to color those feathers. So we're going to do a few of them. We're going to do this side of the turkey feathers together. So let's look at this first feather. What color word is that? I see a Y at the beginning, so I'm going to get my mouth ready and say yellow. So this turkey feather is going to be yellow. Now what about this next color word? I see a B. Now we have several color words that start with B. We have brown, blue, and black. Let's look at all the letters in this word and see which one we think it is. I think it's brown. So this feather is going to be brown. All right, what about this next one? This is orange. The color word orange starts with an O. And then the last color word is red on this side. Now, you're going to keep going on your own, and you're going to read the color words on these feathers and color the feathers to match. And then you can color the turkey's other feathers in his body whatever color you would like to. And then we're going to come down, and we only use 4 different color words on this turkey. So we're going to write those color words. So we used yellow. So I'm going to copy yellow off that feather. We used brown. So I'm going to write the color word brown. We used orange. So I'll write the color word orange. And we used red. So you're going to write those 4 color words we used on the lines beside the stars. All right. Good luck. Finish coloring these turkeys using the color words. Color the rest of the turkey however you would like, and then write the 4 color words we used to help us color those feathers. I'll see you soon with another Thanksgiving story.